Yes. No. Let's go. Wait. What is the taxi? No, but we have a car, so like we should put her in the car. No. Why taxi? Boss.
Any
nothing, absolutely nothing was done to that effect. Absolutely silence on social welfare.
What would this mean for the child?
The child is not being exposed rather than to be protected.
So now you don't know how the child is going to be taken care of?
No, nobody knows.
Yes. No. Let's go. Wait. What is the taxi? No, but we have a car, so like we should put her in the car. No. Why taxi? Boss.
Hi guys, as you know, this is your one and only sexy polo, AKUAPEM Poloo. Yeah, Rosemond Brown. I just want to use this opportunity to say thanks to all my legends who supported me. I saw the hashtag, especially Regina Stone, Sarkodie Stoneboy, Bridget O2, Hajia For Real, Akuma Cindy, DKB. Oh, I can't mention it all, please. I saw all this, all the bloggers who use the platform to support me. I saw the hashtag. I love you. I know you people love me, and I love you too. The bloggers, mommy, those called celebrity. I know you love me. I'm stubborn, but you still show me love. I saw the money you sent, mommy, for my son. We are grateful. Guys, you know your girl is strong. Sometimes in life, you have to pass through some things to make you strong, to get to somewhere. I know it's a test I have to go through. I'm strong. You guys know. Please, all that I need is your prayers and your support. Your girl will be back with you guys. I love you. Thank you, Tunde. Thank you, all my Nigerian celebrities. Thank you, all my Ghana celebrities, all over the world who are supporting me. Yeah, Jackson, I love you, sister. I know you love me. I love everyone who has supported me to this. Your girl loves you. They pay you. Kiss, kiss.
Please, thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Please visit our website at celebritybuzz.com.gh. Follow us on Facebook at CelebritiesBuzz, on Instagram at CelebrityBuzzGH, and on Twitter at CelebrityBuzz. Thank you.